Welcome to my channel. Today I am here with cryptocurrency. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. So what is cryptocurrency? You always hear cryptocurrency. It is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography. It is a special computer code to secure transactions. It works on a blockchain, which is a public online ledger where every transaction is recorded permanently. No physical coin, no central authority to check it like RBI or government or bank. It exists only digitally. So, features of cryptocurrencies are it is decentralized. No single government or bank controls it. Transactions happens peer to peer. Blockchain technology, what is it? A blockchain records all transactions blocks, making data transparent, safe, and hard to change. Third is it is global transaction. You can send crypto anywhere in the world instantly. High volatility. Crypto prices change very fast, sometimes up or down by 20 to 30% in a single day. So it is risky. Popular example of cryptocurrencies are first is Bitcoin, BTC, first and most famous cryptocurrency. Example, if you send 0.01 Bitcoin from India to USA, it will arrive in minutes without a bank. Second is Ethereum, ETH, used not only as money but also as smart contracts, that is automatic agreements and apps. Third is Tether, USDT. It is a stable coin, meaning its value is tied to US dollar, that is rupees at 83 approximate. So Tether is tied to US dollar up, that is 83 rupees. It is less volatile because it is tied. Fourth is Dogecoin. It started as a meme coin, but later gained huge popularity. So cryptocurrency works in very simple way. Let us say Amit wants to send zero point 0.5 Bitcoin to Ria. Amit opens his crypto wallet like Binance or CoinDCX or WajirX are the wallets for Bitcoins. He enters Ria's wallet address. Transaction request goes to the network of computers worldwide. These computers called miners, they verify the transaction. Once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain. Ria receives the Bitcoin. Total time 5 to 30 minutes, no bank needed, and it is safe too. Why do people use cryptocurrency? They use for investment. People buy Bitcoin hoping its price will increase. Second, it is digital payments. First, international payment with low fee. Third is privacy. Transactions don't require your name or bank details. Fourth, it is innovation. Blockchain enables new technologies like NFTs, smart contracts, decentralized apps, DApps. Risk in cryptocurrency. It is price volatility. It is very volatile. Prices can fall suddenly. No government backing, so you can't go anywhere for rescue. If you lose your crypto or wallet password, it's gone forever. Third is fraud and scams. Fake crypto projects, phishing, rug pulls are always there. Fourth is regulatory issues. Some countries ban crypto trading, so they are not helping the citizens. Real life example to understand crypto. For example, buying crypto like gold. Think of crypto like digital gold. You don't physically hold gold. You don't physically hold Bitcoin. So it is like purchasing gold. You store gold in locker. You store crypto in a digital wallet. Gold price changes daily. Bitcoin prices also changes daily, and they are much faster than gold price. Another example is using crypto to buy a laptop. Suppose you want to buy a laptop worth rupees 60,000. If one Bitcoin is equal to rupees 30 lakh, then 60,000 is equal to 0.002 Bitcoin. You can pay the store 0.002 Bitcoin and store gets the money instantly without a bank. So in simple words, cryptocurrency is equal to digital money that exists online, runs on blockchain, does not need banks, has high profit, high risk,